Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out or put in the main brush into your EZVIZ RS2 robot. You can take it out to clean it or replace it and then put it back in. And to do it, you need to flip the robot over. Here is the main brush, and to open it, click on these two buttons. Now this door just pop out, and now you can take it out like that and clean it, then put it back in. Make sure that this orange part goes into this place with a square so it aligns, because otherwise it just wouldn't align. If I've put it the wrong direction, you can see it cannot go in here. Then you can just easily pop the door on like that. So here are some pins that need to align like that. Then put it in until it clicks, and now it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.